Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today we're going to talk about a simple trend following system that you can use to trade Bitcoin. Now, if you're interested in Bitcoin and other crypto, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you can stay up to date on all my Bitcoin videos on YouTube. So here we have a chart of Bitcoin. This is a daily candlestick chart, and on this chart I have the this blue line that I'm drawing over here is the 50-day moving average, 50. And this is the 200-day moving average down here, this red line. And you can see when you get a crossover, this is called a golden cross. When the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, this can be a sign that an uptrend is beginning. Now this works well for momentum stocks, but it's been working especially well for Bitcoin over the last few years. And that's what I want to show you. So if we go look when this buy signal occurred, it was approximately April 23rd, it looks like, 2019. But if we go back, we can take a look and we can see how well this trend following system has really performed. So it got us short back in early 2018. So when the blue line crosses below the red line, as it did right here in late March 2018, that is a bearish sign. That's a sign that you want to go short. Bitcoin's fairly hard to go short. You need to use the futures or something like that. But at least you want to get out of your longs. And so this gave a fairly decent signal at around 8,000 or 9,000. A lot of the damage had still been done. But what I like to do is I like to use this as an indicator of which direction I should be trading in. If I'm doing some shorter term or mid-term swing trades, you definitely want to trade with the direction of the trend. And when you have Bitcoin in an uptrend, as it has been since the end of April, you can see that buying the dips has worked really well. And if we get another really big trend in Bitcoin, as we did, let me just scroll back and show you where we had this original crossover of this system. This was back in, looks like October 28th, roughly, 2015. We had the blue line crossing above the red line for the first time, and that's again a golden cross. And if we scroll out here, let's see, that happened when Bitcoin was trading at about, call it 316. So that was just an amazing trend that it captured. And Bitcoin seems to be trending very well according to this system. So I'd encourage you to keep an eye on this. You can see that this system got long Bitcoin at 300, whatever we said, and then exited around 8,000, 9,000 when we got this crossover here. So definitely something to keep an eye on, and especially if, as many people are saying, Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000 or 200,000, this will be a nice way to keep you in the same direction as the trend. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're interested in me making more Bitcoin and crypto videos, and let me know what else you'd like me to make videos about. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.